Hello. In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on HMD XR21. So you have to start by opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and you have to click here to enable Hey Google. Then click on more and I agree. Then click on more and I agree again. And now click next. Then click next again. And click more and I agree. Now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on next, then click next. Click more and I agree. Now you can go back again and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.